Hi, I'm Emmie. Welcome to Yoga with Em. We are here to relax. This is a really short practice. This is the gift of yoga to help you find a bit of relaxation. If you enjoy this, please write in the comments and I'll choose one person to gift a mat space to for my next relaxing yoga class, 11th of December. So find a quiet space and join me now. So find that quiet space, turn your phone onto silent and join me either on the mat or on a soft carpet or rug. I'm going to use a bolster today for our nourishing posture, but you can use just your regular pillow wrapped in a blanket to give you some beautiful soft support. Maybe a pillow for your head if you like, but it's not essential. We're going to take a restorative supine twist. This is nourishing for your digestive system, nourishing for the spine, but the red flag area is really your lumbar spine, so we don't want any pulling or pain here. Lower yourself on down to the earth on your back body, and then we're going to bump our hips over slightly to your right to begin with. As you can see, my right knee is bent, ready. I've got my bolster on my left hand side, and I'm going to hug my right knee in a little bit and then rest it on over onto my prop. So you can either have that arm there resting on the leg if that helps you feel stable, or your arms resting down to the earth. I like a nice kind of open wide posture here. Doesn't matter what position you have your head in, as long as you feel comfortable. It's about the positioning of shoulders and hips here. So if you're feeling relatively comfortable, you can close down your eyes and start to deepen the breath. But just make sure you've got your body comfortable first. So make any adjustments first. And remember, we don't want pain in the lower back. We want to be able to let go of tension here. So if you're feeling relatively comfortable now, we're going to bring our attention to the breath. And I want you to take a big, deep breath in, really fill on up. And a long, slow breath out, let it all go. Let's do that again together. So breathe in deeply, fill on up, and a slow, long breath out. And then allow your breath to settle into its natural flow. Breathing in and out through the nostrils if that's comfortable for you. With each exhalation, let go. Notice where you're holding on and let go as you breathe out. Keep the breath nice and smooth. So notice, am I holding any tension in my shoulders? See if you can let that go. And what about the neck and the head? Just check. It's feeling really comfortable. Keeping the breath slow and smooth. Check in with the belly and just let go. Often we have to hold, engage the core. Well, here we are letting go. And allow your body to melt down just a little further, down into the earth and into the props which are supporting you. Notice if you're holding tension in your hips and your legs, and let go. Relax the lines of expression on your face. And breathe. Now, because we're in a twist and we're twisting in one direction, we want to keep the body in balance. So I'd like you to carefully now just ease that top leg down, foot back to the earth, and bend the other knee now. Place both feet on the mat because we need to twist the other way to keep everything in balance. So take your time, use your hands, use your elbows to ease yourself up really gently. And move your bolster or your improvised bolster to the other side, and then bump your hips over to your left. So my right leg is kind of straight, or relatively, I just leave it long on the mat, and then I take my left leg over. Maybe you hold on to that leg if that helps you feel stable and supported. Or you can just rest your arms down to the earth. And once again, take a moment here to get your physical body really comfortable. Slow down your breathing once again. Settle into that rhythm of breath. And take a moment to actively release tension. So know where you're holding on, notice, and let go. We're allowing our body to restore, to rest, to reset. And we're breathing slowly, keeping the breath smooth. And the idea is we're bringing the heart rate down and coming into the rest and digest response. It's where we want to be operating from a place of calm. Take 3 more breaths with me here. And when you've finished your 3 breaths, and if you're feeling super comfortable, you might actually just like to bring that top leg over and lie long on your mat here for a few more moments. Otherwise, you can move your hands, maybe move your toes, and gently ease yourself on up. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.